Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax out here at the Dallas Yacht Center at Pier 121. I'm down in the cabin of a Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. I wanted to start off down here to show you how much room there is and how much natural light you get with these massive windows down here. Right now I got the table down in a filler, so this can make a secondary bed. But look how easy that is if you want to remove the filler cushion. Lift up the table, you got a great table around here, a TV, again massive windows, a lot of room here. We kind of spin around, we're going to see they got rid of the main galley, but I still got a refrigerator down below, a microwave down below, and tons of storage. Let's turn around and take a look at the head. I want you to take a look at the head down here. They did a great job. It is a wet head, so you take a shower in there, but nice tile, a good vessel sink, tons of storage in it, another big light, AC vent in there, so it's a really nice head for this 32-foot day boat. But take a peek down here too. This would be the main sleeping berth if you wanted to. It's nice that they have two separate beds, twin beds. They slide together. Filler cushion makes this one big bed all the way full beam to the aft. There's a TV back here, air conditioner down in the cabin. So for this 32-foot boat, you got a nice V berth and twin beds in the back. Let's go look up top. So we're up here in the bow of the Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. What's new about the Sundancer now is you walk up to the bow. It's safe to get on here. You saw the cabin down below or just down below, but now we're on the bow area. So 3 people can sit here facing forward, all the wind and sun in your face all day long. Stereo controls, cup holders, a table goes there. We still got a remote spotlight and a windlass, everything you need to make it easy for your family to go out and anchor out and spend all day. Man, whether it's kids or adults hanging out up here, I love this front bow. I could really see my family hanging out up here on the bow of the boat. This is what I love the most. You're gonna walk through this walkway, you're still in the boat, coming down to the cockpit. What Sea Ray did is they moved this helm forward more in the boat to give you more room in the back of the boat. So this cockpit is huge. Tons of shade, a power sure shade in the back, opening sunroof. This one does have the MerCruiser twin 350 horsepower Mercs with joystick control and skyhook, all those great features. This boat does have radar on it. It's got the RGB lights, so we can change different light colors, whatever we want. Great fusion sound system with the upgrade on it. Bolster seats on it. You've probably seen these before, but again, this is where most families spend the day. They're going to be outside where the fun is. So I got refrigerator, drinks, trash can, Kenya grill. There's an AC unit out here. Gets too hot, turn the air on. Let somebody sit right there and cool off. Or this time of year, turn the heat on, full camper canvas and close the whole thing. So use this boat year round. Great seating all the way around. Again, I can hit a button, make this shade go out further. If we are anchored out on a nice day, swing the seat around. I got more seating wrapped around here. You're gonna get 15 people back here in the back of the boat. Great storage underneath all these seats. And the really cool feature is you can lower this swim step. Somebody doesn't want to float on a noodle, you can lower this down in the water. People can sit on it, reboard on it. I still got a ladder off to the side, but how convenient is that to be able to stop this wherever you want at any depth to about 2 feet under the water. This has been a very popular boat. I love it. I call it more of a hybrid boat because it is kind of a bow rider, but you also got a cabin down below. Generator, air conditioner, grill, 2 fridges, microwave, sinks, a head, a shower, hot water heater. If you do want to overnight, you can overnight on it. If you want to entertain family and friends during the day, tons of seating outside. It's a great boat if you want to go and be outside on the lake. I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax here at Pier 121, Dallas Yacht Center. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Thank you.